Hello everyone, welcome to another very quick tutorial video on how to link CSS to HTML document. Now there is a feature inside the HTML document that you can link together those two documents. So first of all, I would recommend to use brackets for this. So this is a modern, powerful and open source editor for CSS, for HTML, for any other things like that. As you can see, you can download it for absolutely free. Now, once you have this editor, as you can see, let me show you one example of linking CSS to HTML document. Now, as you can see, we have an HTML document here, and as you can see, under the head section, you have title and you have link rel equals style sheet. So this basically part of the code will link the HTML with the CSS. So as you can see, link rel equals style sheet. That just means that this basically the project that we want to link it with is a style sheet. A style sheet is a CSS basically. A type can be text or CSS, and then href equals style.css. This is how you name your file. So as you can see right here in brackets, as you can see, index.html is an HTML file. Well, the other file can be called style.css, which is a separate file from index.html. Now, once you have that separate file, and once your CSS file looks like, for example, this, you will produce this particular sample right here. So once we link the href style.css, which is this right here, then we will produce the following result, which is this result. Now, as you can see, you can also change, now once you link these two, you can change the CSS however you want, and it will change the font style, the font color, the font size, and the background behind it, and stuff like that, as you can see. So that's pretty much it, right? As you can see, this will produce the following result, which is right here, as you can see. So again, you can pretty much do a lot of different things with this, but this is how you can link these two together. It's very simple. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.